What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, today is Wednesday, September 20th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Alright, today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Good. Yesterday was also good, but today was significantly more good. Especially in tech. NASDAQ down a lot here. Let's get to some live rainbow bearing. We got some action here. What's this? VINO. Alright, VINO. Let's check that out. Alright, I'm gonna go for that one at 45. Alright, order in for 45. It's currently at 37, pushing 37 there. Man, DTOC still going nuts. Glad I did not get filled on that. And damn, what the hell's up with AVGR? That's going nuts too, bro. Am I live here? 1 second. I am live. Alright. So yeah, I don't know what's up with AVGR, but that is still pumping. FRTX doesn't want to come down. But LIFW is starting to pull back, at least. Anyway, we'll get to my plays in a second here. But yeah, as of the in the post market right now, VINO, that's up 24%. And really don't see anything else going on. What's this? PY. Hold on a sec. It's PYPD. PYPD. That's already heavily shorted. Interesting. I'll go for this one at 40. Kind of unlikely it gets there, but hey, you never know. Alright, order in for 40 cents. Cool. Okay. Alright, let's do one more scan and get back to the intro here. So, yeah, it looks like just PYPD. VINO. Got some action here. NFTG. NFT Gaming Company. Sounds like a scam. Let's check that one out. NFTG. PYPD is up to 30, pushing 33 now. And we'll keep an eye on NFTG. That's up 16%. But yeah, big things to watch for. VINO is not even, that already pulled back. But PYPD, a lot of action here. Yeah, aftermarket mover is PYPD. That's pretty much it. Alright, so we'll come back to this. Alright. So yes, Ramenistan today. Although myself as a rainbow bear did pretty good. I've been on a streak. I think this is a 3 or 4 day winning streak and some pretty fat tendies. So Excited to share with you guys about that. So yeah, bearish day, and myself as a rainbow bear, and probably all rainbow bears did really well. But we'll get to that. But yeah, today, guys, not much to cover. Not much content to go for. So it should be a pretty short and chill show. And looks like not many people in here chatting at all. So yeah, shouldn't be that long of a show at all. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. My place today. Today we have 2 articles. And watch this, all that good stuff. Today, 2 articles. One about the Jay Powell talking today. So we'll see what he said. The Fed September Fed meeting, and then one about Instacart. That just IPO'd not too long ago, a couple days ago, and got an update there. Then today for the TA, as you see in the title, we're going to keep doing TTOO as we have been in the past few days. Full disclosure, I'm no longer in there. I did cover, but I was short, but I'm out now. Then we can also do GNS, EBET, and DTOC. A lot of action on those 3. So, yeah, we'll do those 4 very quickly, and anything else you guys want me to look at. And then we will finish up with our YOLOs, and not many YOLOs either, only 3 YOLOs today. And actually, one of them's a meme, so that shouldn't take too long at all. So, yeah, the way it's going, shouldn't be that long of a show. Not too much content, not too many people chatting, and so far, not much live rainbow bearing. So, yeah. Say probably an hour, maybe even less. But, alright, appreciate everyone, let's go. And before we begin, please, like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Okay. Let's go. So, another scan here. So, PYPD is pulling back now. So is everything else. Alright, 1 second. Let me just take a quick sip and we'll get started here. EBET was pumping all day. And, still going post-market, but 11 million shares, I'm personally not going to go for it. Alright. So, let's start with my plays today. Oops. What up, Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Did you just start, bro? No, I started like probably 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I was a little late, not too late. But I just finished with the intro, and we're on to the actual content now. But no plays so far, no plays. Just watch PYPD. That's really the only thing going post market here as of right now. Tennessee Town for Bears? Yeah, for the most part. For the most part, we'll get to that. Alright, so let me update this real quick. I did get out of NVOS. Alright. Let's go. So today, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plays and still holding 7. Alright, let's do it. So TMBR down 30, NAOV up 95, BIOC up 75, CNXA, big gain here today. Still holding the bag. I was in the green actually at one point, but that came down 33% and I made $2,340 back there. So unloaded a huge bag there. Should have covered at 12, honestly, but I'm just happy. Was able to unload a huge bag there. FRTX up 80. That one didn't really move today. And yeah, big gut today is AVGR. I don't know why this one is still pumping, but it is. That's up to 1410 now. 1411. That's been pumping for a couple days now. So can't keep going up forever, but still is at the moment. So we'll see what happens there. But currently down 1,300 on that. 1,200. Big gut today. LIFW. I was down quite a bit earlier, but now I'm up actually $615. And CFFE. I might have to reshort this actually. CFFE. Yeah, CFFE. So I covered this one at 1280 today, and then it pumped right back up. So I kind of covered the bottom, to be honest. Bottom was 1222, and I covered at 1280, so I got a good price there. You know what? Matter of fact, I am going to reshort CFFE if I can get shares. But let's see here. 1166. Yeah, I'm going to reshort this at 1635, which is what it's at, actually. So, yeah, I'm going to attempt to reshort this at 1635. And that would be 290 shares. All right, so trying to reshort that, CFFE. You did it at 1320 for CFFE. You covered at 1320. Well, that's still a good price to cover. That's also near the bottom because it pumped back up to over 17 now. So congrats there, dude. Yeah, that was a good cover. Damn, bro. AVGR keeps on pumping. What up, Ken? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Alright, PYPD pulling back pretty hard now. And nothing else really going on. So yeah, CFFE made some pretty fat tinnies there. I think like 1,200. And yeah, so all in all, alright, AVGR is starting to pull back now. So definitely a green day. I should, let me see here. That's a lot better than I thought. Alright, so actually I'm still up almost 5K. About 48. Now it's 4,900. About 4,800. I didn't even know I did that well today. Holy crap. Huge day. I guess it makes sense because CNXA came all the way back. And then I did cash BRDS and then CF. So it makes sense, yeah. So even with a $1,100 loss on AVGR, still almost 5K day for me today. So I've been on a streak, bruh. The past few trading sessions, the past week, fat tindies for me. Let's go. Let's go. Very grateful. Would you average up on AVGR tie? No, personally, but that's just because I would never average up on anything. I don't believe in averaging up. Most of the time, it tends to work, but inevitably, it's not going to. And then, so it already hurts when you get squeezed out. When you average in, when you average up and then you get squeezed out, it hurts double time. So, no, I would not do that, but that's just because I'd never average up on anything. Not saying you shouldn't, but I don't believe in averaging up. Been burned on that too many times, and it's just better not to do it. It's better just to take the loss, I think, personally, than to take a fat loss. How do you look back at your trades for the day, the ones you already covered? You just go to transactions, you go on the tab, the settings tab or whatever that is, on the left side, transactions, trades. Okay. What the BJDX at? Alright, so I could still short BJDX. And DTOC pumped back up again, so still trying to short that. And I canceled my order too. I'm tight about that. I should not have canceled my order. But still trying to short DTOC and BJDX. Looks like VINO is already done. We'll keep it in there. Alright, another scan here. Still nothing going on post-market. But yeah, so me personally, almost up 5K today. Let's go. Huge day. Covered BRDS too early, bro. F. Where did you cover it to? I covered at 94, so yeah, that was kind of early, but I mean, I still made fat bag on that. Fat tendies, so. You didn't say BRDS, your daily trade? Yeah, I did, dude. Pretty sure I did. Yeah, I did. I definitely did. I said it real quick, but I made about $1,000 there. 106. All right. Yeah, I covered it at 94. So I made some pretty fat gain there. 106. That's still a gain, is it not? All right, cool. What's next? So let's get to the so that's me today. Let's get to the watch list. Let me delete some of this. Yeah, made 400. Nice, dude. So can't complain. That's a very nice gain there. But I feel you. Could have made probably another 400 or something. All right, cool. Let's get to the watch list. We'll start on the green side. Gonna take a sip real quick. Yeah, I don't know what's up with AVGR. This thing is just going strong. But cannot hold up forever. Gotta go eventually. And I really hope I get filled on DTOC. Alright, let's do it. So the Dow Jones down 0.22%. Good. NASDAQ down 1.46%. Good. And SPY down 0.92%. Good. Yeah. So a pretty bearish day, especially in tech. The NASDAQ down a lot there. VIX is up 7.3%, which is 1.03 points. So VIX is now at 15.14. which is still really good, but it was at 12 before, I think, something like that. So it has gone up quite a bit. Something to pay attention to there. All right. Let's check it out here. Let's get to the watch list. Starting the green side. So, yeah, when the VIX is one of your highest gainers, you know, that's not really good. But down here, not much at all. Growth not really up. Value not really up. Everything is like 0.5%. There's barely anything in the green, first of all. And stuff that is in the green is up like 0.5%, not even. Got Disney, 0.8%. Marriott, 0.7%. Verizon, 0.6%. Domino's, 0.5%. Dollar General, Coke, 0.5%. J&J. Tilray. eBay, Target, Pepsi. But yeah, not really much going on the green side at all. And then onto the red side. So yeah, most of the stocks in the red today. Not the craziest price action. Actually, you know what? I lied. This is pretty bad. Yeah, this is pretty bearish. But let's take a look. So Canopy Growth pulling back. All the 420 pulling back. Down 15%. A lot of memes here. Novavax. Mullen down 6.8%. A lot of EVs pulling back. Virgin Galactic. Intel down 4.5%. Go. Google down 3%. Go. Nvidia down 3%. Go. Bro, why the F Nvidia mooning? No, it's not, dude. It's tanking. It's at 420 now. Lol. Netflix 2.5%. Microsoft 2.4%. So yeah, tech getting wrecked here. GM 2.2%. Apple 2%. So definitely value pulling down the market today, especially tech. Coinbase 2 or 1.9%. Schwab 1.9%. Amazon 1.7%. Ford 1.6%. Alibaba 1.6%. Tesla 1.5%. But yeah, pretty much everything in the red, especially tech. So yeah, today was pretty bearish in the stock market. Go. So honestly, pretty hard to make money today unless you were a rainbow bear. Let's go. Nvidia 150 would be nice. Probably not going to happen, but that would be very nice. That'd be a super buy. All right, let's do another scan and get on to crypto and the news here. If you a fat bear, yeah, if it goes down from here to there, that'd be a fat bear. Are you an Nvidia tie? No. No, I'm not. Not long or short. I'm pretty sure I have an ETF or some ETFs that I am long there, but no, I don't own Nvidia long or short. You're just watching it go downhill. I'm not even watching it. I see you in Discord every day, Nvidia, and I'm just over here shorting my pump and dumps. All right, we got some action here. UPTD, which I just shorted the other day, but let's take a look there. UPTD. High is 12.25. So I'm going to short this at 17.15. Kind of unlikely it gets there. But 17.15. So UPTD. Already heavily shorted. Oops, what did I just do? Alright. Alright, so order in for 17.15. Pretty long way to go, but UPTD is moving here post-market. Alright, we'll come back to this, but things to pay attention for: PYPD and UPTD. Alright, let's get to crypto and the news. Nvidia is pumping up in a legit way. Yeah, you're right. It's kind of like, it's going to be the next Tesla. It's definitely in a bubble. But I need my attendees now. You know what I mean? Alright. Alright, let's give this a few seconds to finish loading here. Alright, all done. Let's go. Here's crypto. That is down 0.66% today. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Alright, so slightly bearish day it looks like. Let's check it out. Bitcoin down 0.7%, holding 27K. Ether down 1.4. Binance down 1.3. XRP up 0.5. Toncoin down 5.7. Go. So I don't see the most price action here. Litecoin down 4.5. So yeah, not the most price action. Seems like a pretty uneventful day. We look on the green side here. Looks like maybe a third of the coins in the green, 35%. Biggest gainer is Maker, 6.2%. Not much value here. Got Leo, Solana, Chainlink. So yeah, not much price action. Not too many coins in the green, not much price action, and not much value. And red side, so also not much price action, but 2/3 of the coins in the red here. Biggest loser is Thorchain, 6%, and there's some pretty decent value here. Toncoin, Litecoin, Avalanche, Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, pretty uneventful day, but most of the stocks in the red here. Price action wise, both ways, nothing significant. And more value in the red here. So, yeah, overall, slightly bearish day in crypto. But, yeah, very bearish day stock market. Slightly bearish day crypto. Overall, good. So, really, the only way you could have won today is if you went Rainbow Bear mode. So, shout out to the Rainbow Bears. Why market drop, bro? Because probably this. Talk about it right now. Alright, guys. So today we have two articles, one about the Fed meeting today, that was the big one, and an update about Instacart. Alright, let's do it. Fed declines to hike, but points to rates staying higher for longer. The Federal Reserve held interest rates steady, while also indicating it still expects one more hike before the end of the year and fewer cuts than previously indicated next year. Along with the rate projections, the Fed also sharply revised up its economic growth expectations for this year, with GDP now expected to rise 2.1% this year. That's pretty good. In addition to holding rates at relatively high levels, the Fed is continuing to reduce its bond holdings, a process that has cut the central bank balance sheet by some $815 billion since June 2022. Okay. Alright. Cool. So nothing really new here. No hike, but there will be a hike, and slower cuts. But it looks like the economy they are getting it under control, and the economy seems fine at the moment. UPTD up to 16? 17. Wow, I may actually get filled, huh? But my entry's at 17.16. So I said probably a long shot, and I may actually get it here. That's pretty insane. It actually... Bro, should you go long on UPTD? I definitely would not, but good luck, dude. What up, Mark? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks, Banner Dude. Appreciate you as always. All right. So, yes, that's the big news today. Fed speaking, Jay Powell speaking. No rate cut, but there will be one probably this year by the end of the year. And economy looks healthy. Next year, rate cuts not going to happen that often. Yeah, UPTD is tanking now. All right, and next one about Instacart. Instacart's 11% plunge on second day of trading wipes out almost all of its IPO gains. Instacart shares fell nearly 11% in the second day of trading Wednesday, continuing a slide that began immediately after the stock debuted on Tuesday. Instacart's falling share price suggests investors are hesitant to back tech companies with challenged business models. Gene Munster, managing partner at Deepwater Asset Management, expressed some skepticism about Instacart. All right, whatever. So, yeah, we saw this the other day. Instacart IPO'd, it mooned, and it's gone.
And it's gone.
So that's usually how it goes. I don't really even know if it's Instacart's fault, but generally during IPOs, it pump and dumps. So I could have seen that a mile away. All right, there's all the articles for today. And let me pull up our 3 YOLOs here. All right, anything you guys want me to chart, put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we're just going to do TTOO, GNS, EBET, and DTOC. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Alright, still nothing going on here. Slow post market. AVGR is pulling back. That's nice. Okay. Alright, let's do TTOO. So, it looks pretty done to me, guys. Don't want to be that guy, but yeah, meme stock, and I mean, it's still up from the high of what, 8 cents, 10 cents. But yeah, RSI currently at 48, so pretty fair market value. Fair market value at 30 cents. MACD is bearish and running to the downside. Gap up at 30 cents. So that's telling us this should pull back down to 30. Which it did, actually. The gap filled today, so never mind. Gap fill there. So I did say probably coming back down to 30. It did, in fact, come back down to 30. And volume still pulling back. Anyway, so at this point, it's pretty neutral. It still looks more bearish than bullish, but definitely not super bearish anymore. Gap filled, neutral RSI. So I don't really see anything bullish about it. Maybe it's a cup and handle. Doubtful, though. So, I think the worst is over, but probably still due for some more pullback here. But at this point, I expect a slow bleed, not really a pump and dump. So, yeah, I would not go long on this stock, and I wouldn't. And I think going short on a swing trade is a decent play. Not the best entry, but if you hold on to this for a couple weeks, couple months on the short side, should be slow bleed, and you should be able to make some pretty decent tendies here. So, yeah, I would say sell, short, on a swing trade. Can't really say where to cover, though. But decent amount of downside potential. Alright, there's that. That was pretty quick, pretty easy. Let's do GNS. UPTD hitting 17. AVGR offering. Let's go. Where do you see that? I mean, I sure hope so. But it is pulling back post-market here. But I don't see any news of an offering. But, hey, it is pulling back below 13 now. So, can maybe do it, Ty. That's what I thought. Yeah, you trolling. But that'd be very useful right now. Anyway, it is slowly bleeding post-market. Down to 13 now. AVGR offering, nice. No, he's trolling, bro. He took a page out of your book there. But it is sitting at 13, so it is pulling back post-market. And UPTD cooling off as well. But could be a bull flag. Alright, so GNS. Another meme stock. So back here, I did say it was gonna pump or tank. Tendies or Wendy's. It did pump. Anyway, alright, so now 95. Gap did fill. Alright, so RSI 48, so pretty for market value. 103. The MACD looks like it's reversing. Aftermarket action pulling back. Possible head and shoulders forming. Anyway, so this one, should probably stay away from this one. Pretty neutral indicators. Average RSI, aftermarket action bearish, cup and handle bullish, MACD bearish but may turn bullish soon. So yeah, not too many indicators. And mixed indicators. So could go either way right now. I'd just stay away from this. Definitely better plays out there to go for. But it's a meme stock, and I see apes get wrecked on this a lot already. So long term, I do think it is bearish, but that's just my opinion. I wouldn't go for this, and I don't think you guys should either. But if you do want to go for, if you had to choose, I'd probably say bearish. All right. Then we got EBETS and DTOC. I think this is a spec, so can't really analyze this. Yeah, I tried to short this at like 15 yesterday, and then it came back below that. So I was like, screw it. And then it pumped back today at 30, so. And it is pulling back already post-market, down to 21. So crazy price action here. So can't really analyze this, but it's a spec and probably due for some pretty significant pullback. So I do want to short this. Not currently short, but I do want to short this. But yeah, spec pump and dump. It pumped, dump, incoming. Not financial advice. All right, and EBETS. Can you do Adobe? Sure. COSM and Adobe. All right, EBET. This one, Adobe and Tesla, sure. All right, so this one can be a cup and handle. Could come back up to 11 short term. Gap up at 5.4 cents though. So it should pull back down at 5.4 at some point. Gap filled here. Aftermarket action pumping. Alright, so this is low-key another meme stock. I think this may run up to 11 in the short term. Unlikely though. Aftermarket action is pumping, so probably going to keep running tomorrow. So, very short term, I'm going to say bullish. But I don't think it's going past 11 and should come back down to 5.4 to fill the gap in the short term. So, I think the best way to go for this is just to see if it moons, and if it does, you can short it down. But if you want to gamble, then then I guess you can go long right now. Although, personally, I don't recommend that, and I would not do that. Yeah, so going long is gamble right now. And I think the best play is to see if this moons. If it does, short it down. But, yeah, MACD is bullish. Cup and handle bullish. Aftermarket action bullish. So, it still looks like there's momentum. Not going to lie. Not saying it's going to keep upping, but it's showing some pretty strong momentum. Okay. Let's do some of this stuff now. COSM. Alright, this one's starting to... Well, RSI's at 57, so a little bit above average there. So maybe fair market value is 150. Anyway, it's starting to reverse, and there's a gap to fill here at 245. So, you missed the bottom at like $1, but I think in the relatively short term here, this should come back up to 245 to fill the gap, and maybe even 340 to complete the cup. But not the best entry here at 154, but pretty decent buy and hold for a swing trade. If this comes back up to 245, you know, that's some pretty decent attendees. That'd be like a 90% gain. Yeah, pretty fat attendees there. So yeah, not the best entry, but I do like this as a swing trade on the long side. All right, let's do Adobe and Tesla. Wow. So near the all-time high, and it's actually regular RSI. All right, so 48 RSI fair market value, according to that. A lot of gap ups. That's pretty sketch. 440, 370, those two. So I certainly wouldn't buy it near the high here. And personally, I wouldn't short blue chip value stocks anyway. But, yeah, I'd wait for a pullback and try to get this at a good price. If you can get this at 440, excellent. And if it keeps pulling back to 370, excellent. But yeah, I think that's how it should go. Probably a bubble right now. And if I would say set your buy orders to 440 and 370. So good long-term hold buy, I think. But bad entry at the moment. Alright. And Tesla. It's another one buy and hold for sure. Some gaps here still have to be met. 53 RSI. Alright, so if this comes back down to 1 or 255, I think that's a good buy. And then back down to 146, I think that's also a good buy. So yeah, long-term buy and hold, but not the greatest price right now. But I think some good entries are 255 and 145. Yeah, so buy, hold, and load up when and buy the dip when it goes down. Pretty easy, logical there. All right, that's all the TA for today, guys. Let's do another scan here. UPTD still up there, and nothing else. Okay. Ty gonna say don't short big cap, bro. Well, I'm not gonna tell you guys what to do, but I don't do that. I have money in other shorts, but trying to short Adobe feel like it'd have some downside. Yeah, you probably make money there, but you know it's gonna be a slow bleed, not a pump and dump. Okay. So let's finish up with our YOLOs. There's only 3, really 2, because one's a meme. So we should be out of here in like 10 minutes. Short show today. All right, let's do it. First one by Silver Patriot 7, puts. So Jim Cramer is back. Haven't seen this guy in a while. Interest rates will come to a halt. Inflation has reached its peak. But Jay Powell literally said they're not done raising rates yet. So what is this guy talking about, bro?
Bruh.
Well, actually this was at 7:10 a.m. and Jay Powell didn't talk till later. So he was predicting what Jay Powell was going to say and wrong. So interest rates will not come to a halt, and inflation probably has reached its peak. But interest rates coming to a halt, not yet. Anyway, so yeah, bullish tweet. And so Jim Cramer is bullish. I don't know, guys. Be careful. Alright, let's get to our plays. Only 2 today. Really 1. The other one's like a long essay. Alright, by Toro Bib. Lost $15,000 in SEEL. I'm a social worker and lost about a year's salary. That's it? 15,000? I've been making that in like a week, bro. Has to be more than that. That's crazy. Anyway, so first of all, if you don't make much money, don't YOLO a year's salary. That's pretty dumb. And don't YOLO in something you don't know what it is. Or don't buy anything you don't know what it is. Damn, we lost 15K in 1 day, bro. That's sick. That's pretty sick. I don't even know what SEEL is. Anyway, so he was at 35K and he lost 15K in 1 day. SEEL? Seal? Well, that's pretty rough. Yeah, so that's what happens when you buy, biotech, pump and dump biotech. Literally through his whole account in biotech, so can't really feel that bad. Another ape getting burned by pump and dump here. So yeah, moral of the story, don't YOLO money you can't afford to lose, and especially in meme stocks. So yeah, 15K loss today, down 43%. Yeah, if you don't have money you can't afford to lose, you shouldn't be doing this. Shouldn't be YOLOing, guys. Alright, and last one. And here comes the siren. My apologies, guys. Going the other way, actually, I think. We'll see. But doing really good on sirens today. I think there were none, literally. Alright, so last one. We got a little bit of an essay here. And I didn't even really read it, so let's check it out. By Green Tea Lettuce. Did I autism into 57K gain, or am I bigly regarded? So trading spreads on Tesla yesterday. Alright, so the siren is coming. Gonna talk over it. My apologies, guys. Beginning of the day, my portfolio was around 20K. Margin account with borrowing limit set to about 20K. Total brokerage holdings about 30K. So sold 25, 20, 30 credit spreads for a total of 24,350. Both were set to expire October 20th, so 1 week to go. That's pretty good. Total credit 2770, 27,700. Before close, I used most of the additional buying power to increase my lower risk long positions, buying shares in ETFs and blue chips. Okay, was gonna theta getting out, but tonight both of the short puts got assigned early. So now I have 60K in shares and still have 2,700 in puts that are basically at the money. My brokerage holdings went up 97,000, of which 76K is margin. And after removing my borrowing limit, there's a 14K deficit that I plan to cover by selling shares. So did the exercise inadvertently lock in my initial credit gains and essentially give me 46K in equity for a cost of 14K the deficit, or am I being regarded degenerate? Yeah, it doesn't work like that. There's no free money, dude. So I think you may have tricked Robinhood? I don't know what brokerage you're using. But you may have tricked Robinhood into giving you more leverage by selling the calls or puts, whatever he did. Selling the puts. Which is basically what happened with Control the Narrative, the GUG guy. You trick the system into thinking you have more buying power by selling options, and then yeah, you can increase your buying power like that. So so yes, it did give you equity, but your risk is much more increased now, so it's not really the best thing. So it's not a 57k gain. I don't know where you got that from. And are you bigly regarded? Not yet, but you very well could be soon. Alright, so this guy. So this guy's actually being smart, and he's calling everyone out because no one knows what's going on here. Saying he's correct. No, he's not correct. Yeah, so you bought 3,000 shares for 89,000. And unless the price rises above 20, you can sell them for at most 60k. Yes. So you're down 28.5k there, but you did receive 27.7k for putting in the position, so you exercise your puts now. You'd be down 800 on the trade. This is and always was the max loss you can take on the trade. Yes, you set up the graph, that's how it is. It's a credit spread. So basically your options are, if bullish, hold your long position and hope the stock goes back up. If you can exit for anything above 20.27 a share, you made money. If bearish, sell shares now, wait for the stock to drop and sell your puts when they rise in value. Alright, so he's doing this whole math thing. Anyway, so no, we didn't just he doesn't even know how this works. Selling credit spreads. So and then Robinhood, this is another glitch that Robinhood has, that people think they're like 500k in the hole, and then they do bad things to themselves. The kid did that, deleted himself because he thought it was 700k in the hole. Because Robinhood just displayed it wrong, because it like exercised one side and not the other. Anyway, so no, he's not. He didn't gain 57k. His max loss is 800. And his max gain, not sure what that is. Anyway. Yeah, so, more regarded. Yeah, he's bigly regarded. Because you don't even know what you're doing, dude. Selling credit spreads, don't even know how it works. So, yeah. I try to figure out what happened here. So, the guy doesn't know what he's doing. And everyone on the sub doesn't know what he's doing either. What they're doing. Okay. Everyone's complaining how Wall Street Bets is not the same anymore. It's like, it used to be Dumb Apes with DD, now it's just Dumb Apes. Alright, anyway, that's all the YOLOs for today. Not much there, but good stuff. And that is the show for today. So let's do one more scan here. So yeah, really short show today. Less than 1 hour. But yeah, not much content today. Not much live rainbow bearing, and not much chatting either. So that's cool. Get out of here early today. Alright, what is going on? Still nothing. I mean, NEPT is making some noise here, going up a little. But, literally nothing happening. UPTD is, the only thing really moving now. We'll keep an eye on NEPT. But, yeah, really slow post-market. Nothing to go for. As of right now, at least. Alright. So, that is the show for today, guys. So, really, really short and chill show. Still a good one, but not much content to cover, not much live rainbow bearing, not much talking. Makes sense, you know, today, really bearish day, and usually when it's bearish day, the apes go into hibernation. To apes hibernate, that's bears, right? But the apes are nowhere to be found when it's a good day. So that's cool. Get out of here early today. Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button before we get out of here. And yes, that's all I got. So if anything else happens, I'll post it in Discord. If not, I'll see you guys back here tomorrow and on Discord. And there's Chilo, always lurking. Appreciate you, dude. All right. AVGR pulling back. Very nice. All right, so post-market's been okay to me. All right, well, yeah, very bearish day here today. Hopefully we finish the week strong. Got 2 more days to go. Let's get some tendies. I've been printing all week, but hope, everyone else makes tendies. All right, let's get out of here, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.